Gopher. The underground engineers of nature.
Pocket gophers are small rodents that live under the ground. These gophers create tunnel systems in the soil. One gopher moves several tons of earth every year. Scientists consider pocket gophers important ecosystem engineers. Their digging helps plants grow by mixing soil nutrients. For example, pocket gophers help to aerate compact soil. This process allows water to reach the roots of local plants. They also bring deep minerals up to the soil surface. Healthy grass grows faster because of these active rodents. In addition, gophers create homes for many other small animals. Toads and snakes often live inside their abandoned tunnel networks. These tunnels protect them from both cold and heat. Many species survive better when gophers are present in the area. Consequently, these examples show how their underground labor supports the entire ecosystem. Furthermore, the mounds they build create space for new seeds. Old soil is replaced with fresh earth from below. This natural cycle keeps the land fertile for generations. In summary, pocket gophers play critical ecological roles through their continuous burrowing and feeding behaviors. They function as essential ecosystem engineers that modify soil properties, aerate substrates, and redistribute vital nutrients. In doing so, they create habitats for other species and influence plant community dynamics across diverse North American habitats.